Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see about OS module in Python. By using OS module, we can be able to easily interact with our operating system, and it helps us to work with files and directories, and we can also do some works that our operating system can do. To start working with OS module, first we need to import OS. Here we have imported the OS module. There are lots of methods and submodules and its methods in OS to easily work. By using dir, we can able to display all the submodules and methods within the module. Not only for OS, we can also use anything instead of OS. Here we can use math, tkinter, any modules that we need to display. Here these are the submodules and methods in the OS module, and if we enter os.name, it displays the methods and submodules within the os.name. Here you can see these are the methods within the os.name. By using OS, we can also get our current working directory. It means the current place that we are using. Now we are opening the IDLE shell. Let's check where did the shell is opened. os.get current working directory. This is a method, so you need to use the parenthesis here, but for submodules you don't need to use the parenthesis. If you use it, it will give an error. Here this is the current working directory of our Python shell. Let's check it. Here I am entering the app data, but some of you doesn't get the folder like this because you doesn't check the hidden items to show. Here you can see this is the current working directory of our Python shell. By using list directory, I can also get the files and folders within the current working directory. Let me show you. Here we need to give the current working directory. Let's copy this and paste it here. Paste it here. These are the files and folders in the current working directory. You can see it here. The DLL, doc, include, lib, libs, script, license. And we can also switch our current working directory by using change directory. Change directory. Here we need to enter the directory that we are going to use. Enter the directory path in the quotes. Now I am asking to go for the desktop directory. C:/users, my username and desktop. Let's close the quotes and parentheses. Here the directory has been changed to desktop. Let's get the current working directory again. Here you can see the current working directory is desktop. Previously we are using the current working directory as Python directory. Now it's desktop. Let's get the files and folders within the desktop. Here you can see that I have 3 files and 1 folder. And the another thing is environ. By using os.environ, we can able to get the path that is set for our command prompt. Here you can see that about my system and the path that I set in my command prompt. Almost every information that you need to get will be displayed using the environ. And you can also call any command that you need to get using your command prompt. os.system. By using this, I can do any command that I can able to perform in the command prompt. Now I'm asking notepad. Let's run it. Here you can see the notepad is opened. Now I am in the desktop directory. If I need to create or remove any directory, I can able to do it by os.make directory. Here I need to enter the folder name in quotes, example sample. Here you can see the folder sample is created. If I need to remove it, rm directory. It's gone. And the another thing is os.walk. By using the walk, you can able to search for a file or folder in current directory or any other directory. I have a video about searching files and folders using Python. I use the os.walk method to search files and folders. The video is in the info button. You can click it. And that's it, guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.